Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all had a great holiday. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of the KSCRAFT December 2024 release. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me these dies. You can find these die sets at KSCRAFT Aliexpress or KSCRAFT Amazon. Or you can also find inspiration on these different channels listed here. And yeah, I will list all the links to where you could get these in the description box below. Let's get started. So here we first have this clip maker, and you can add some pictures on top of these clip makers and then clip them onto your different projects and papers in your journals. It's really interesting and really easy to make. And next we have this nested square memory decks frame, and it's pretty cool. You can layer them, you can use these individually, and they're stitched at the borders here. Very nice and small. And here we have another one that is called nested hexagon memory decks. And this one comes with a heart clip, and yeah, it's really pretty. It looks like this one also has some stitching, and it looks a little bit different with these hexagon layers and a scalloped border. And here we have coffee garlands. These are really nice. And it looks like it has these coffee beans, a coffee maker, and these ones, let me see what these ones are. Oh, it's part of the coffee maker for the top, and then we have some cups at the back, and some, these are the cups, and then some of these drinkable longer size cups. So these are like the shorter cups, and then the longer, like sort of like those bubble tea cups. And yeah, super cute. Goes along with the coffee theme. And here we have some craft words, I believe it's called. Crafts Essential Words. And there's two different sets you can choose from. One has, one says like dangles, buttons, ribbons, sequins, sprinkles, rosettes, I believe. And let's see what the other ones are. The other ones are cuts, gems, pearl beads, stickers, die, and chipboard. And here we have a mason jar, and it's also a shaker, I believe. Yes, it looks like a shaker. And you can also make it into a 3D, it's called a 3D jar box actually. And so these are for making it into a 3D theme, which looks really neat. And it has some words that says jam and some little toast with some jam seasoning that you could put on the toast. It's super cute with this knife and a bow. I think this is so adorable. And it comes with this string that goes around the mason jar. And yeah, it's super adorable. I think this is like so cute. And next up we have these ATC cards. These ATC cards and stamp. It has a stamp here, and there's 3 styles, and I just thought they were really neat. It has the title, artist, and your contact, the date, and the number of this version of the ATC card. I thought this is like really cool, and I'm for sure going to decorate this and show you what it looks like. And here I'm like, I think this is so cool. This box is currently called, it's called Rising Heart Box. And when you flip open the 2 doors of this box, this heart rises up out of like the box, and yeah, it looks like it's like movable, so it's like really cool, and you can store things inside. And here we have elegant box holder. So here's the holder, and it includes these beautiful flowers and some, I believe these are like some labels at the back here, and these little cute like boxes that look like milk cartons. They look like super cute. They're a little bit small, like milk cartons, and you can make like 2 or 4 that fit into this thing. So 2 on this one side, 2 on this side, or you could just have 2 on this side. Super cute. And here we have this candy cart box, and it's 3D, very beautiful. I think this is really useful to make a cart. You don't need to make any measurements or anything, just cut it out and make it into a 3D cart. It looks super simple to make, and you'll have a cart, and yeah, it's really good. I like it. Yeah, has the 2 wheels here, and some doily kind of decorations here. And next up we have this 3D suitcase. I think this is the 3D suitcase box, I believe. And yeah, it has some words here. I'm not really quite sure what they are. Let me see. Let me open it. See what it says. It's really nice, this 3D suitcase box. I love it. And if you go to KSCRAFT Hannah's YouTube channel, you can see she makes like different trays inside the suitcase you can put inside, and I thought that was neat. And I'm not really quite sure what these say. Have a something time. Oh, snack time. Snack time, so you can make this like a lunch box, and then, oh, I think this is have a break, and then, this one is lunchtime, yes. So it's sort of like a lunch box, but you could also make it into a very beautiful traveling box, a traveling suitcase. So yeah, some multiple ways of making different themes, and yeah, I think that's really cool. And it has all this, sorry for all the crinkling noise, it has all these stitching here too, so it's really nice, the layering. And next up we have this corset, shabby chic corset mini album. This is like, all of these are mostly like Valentine's theme, or you can make it into a different theme. And I can't wait to put some lacing on here. And it looks really beautiful, the details here, and as well as here. And it includes these bows, super cute. And here we have a, let's see what this one is called, elegant tote bag. So pretty with the doily kind of edging for this label here. And here we have mixed sunglasses, really useful for your projects. Like if you have any like animals or figures with these glasses, make them extra cool or smart looking, and or cute looking. It's really neat, and it has many different sizes. It looks like it has a large, medium, and small size in various styles. let me see. Maybe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 styles I can see here. And here we have some, these ones are called rickrack borders. Looks really popular right now, these rickrack borders. I'm just gonna try to figure out what I'm gonna do with these. And yeah, like I've seen lots of people make these into patterns for backgrounds, and yeah, it's really cool with all these different patterns. And I actually got 2 of the same thing, unfortunately, but it's okay. I probably ordered the one that I'm missing. The one that I'm missing is the coffee parlor add-on. And yeah, I'll just order it again. And so, I mean, I'll just order it. And so Car Mini, this is called the Car Mini album. It's so super cute. Looks really nice. I love how these lights have this like texture on it. And I've seen Denise make this and it looks really cool. So finally we have this, what is this one called? Step cards. And it's like a card and it's in a step layer. So it'll look like one card here and then another card in the back like this. And it's something unique and different. Never seen this before. And it has all these really nice labels as well as these beautiful flower petals. I just love how they included this, like and they're just the right size too. I love the size that they have here in many different sizes and so many of them. So yeah, just love it. And you can layer them with the different sizes too. So yeah, it looks like there's like 2 different flowers. Very beautiful. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!